Baby, can you do this for me? Yeah, girl, you walk on the beat. Bend over, touch your feet. Baby, can you arch it for me? Baby, can you do this for me? Yeah, girl, you walk on the beat. Bend over, touch your feet. Baby, can you arch it for me? Baby, girl, I'm the first that got woo. They know about me, you know who they. Big machine, what's good? Slap it down to your hood. I can do your up like NSG. Baby, the streets respect me. Baby, girl, you wanna love me? It comes with expensive food. Remember when they didn't wanna know me?
Hey guys, good morning. This is day 2 in Benin Republic and we are going out to explore Benin, and I want to see you guys subscribed, okay? Alright, so welcome back to another vlog, and today I'm going to show you what I did in my second day in Cotonou, Benin Republic, okay? You know, yesterday we moved from Porto-Novo to Cotonou, so now we are at our Airbnb and we are about going out. I've not had anything to eat this morning, but yeah, let's see. And again, I'm not trying any local food, I'm sorry. Yesterday I went through hell. My stomach, that akara I ate yesterday to be honest, it was sweet, but then it disturbed me, and again, I don't know. Anyways, let's just go. They're already waiting for me. Content creator late. Alright guys, this is my full feet. Bye, see you later. You guys say hi, day 2.
Hi.
Wales. So today is packed with a lot of activities, but then on our first stop we decided to visit Ouidah Python Temple. But firstly, we saw this very beautiful sculpted welcome to Ouidah, so we decided to stop and get a view of it while taking pictures and creating content. If you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Favor Opara and I'm currently living in Benin Republic, and I'm going to be showing you what living in Benin Republic as a Nigerian looks like while exploring. If you're someone who is also interested in traveling, especially around Africa, or you're a budget traveler, then seriously you really need to think of visiting Cotonou or Benin Republic, because it's not just Cotonou that is in Benin Republic. I keep saying that there are other parts in Benin Republic. Places like Ouidah, places like Porto-Novo are historical places where you can visit and learn about the culture of the people of Benin. One very interesting thing about this West African country is that both the citizens and the government are really investing into their tourism sector. So while visiting so many places and exploring a lot of tourist attraction centers in the country, I noticed that there were lots and lots of tourists from different parts of the world. So I just wanted to enjoy the rest of the video while we drive down to our first location for today.
Where are we from and where do we go? All the words in the scriptures with the pretty pictures, and we still don't know. But where were you before you were born? Oh, space and time before the light, or does that story just make you bored? I'm all alone in the Garden of Eden.
To show the seriousness of how tourism is being taken in this country, you see a lot of tourist buses like this around all these tourist attraction sites. And yeah, we just arrived the famous and popular Python Temple in Ouidah. This particular location is one of the sites that draws a lot of tourists and visitors from all over the world. You see whites, you see blacks from different parts of the world. So you see children, you see adults of different ages, old, young, coming to learn about the history of the voodoo religion. Guys, fun fact, there's a reason why the Python Temple is just directly in front of the church, and I'm going to tell you why in my next video, so you do want to check it out. And yes, if you're someone who is interested in exploring other African countries outside of Nigeria, then this information is for you. I created an ebook that is going to guide you on how to explore and visit Benin Republic. It's going to show you places to visit. It's just going to guide you on every detail you need to know about exploring and visiting Benin Republic, specifically on a budget. So click on the link in my description box to coup yours now. It's actually on a promo sale, so you do want to get yours now, okay?
Where are we from? And where do we go?
Guys, take a look at this statue. You see a python on her shoulder and another different python on her arm. Wow. I'm going to be showing you the real python and giving you a tour of what it looks like inside the temple. So that's why you need to check out that video. I'll be linking the video above, so you just click on it above and watch it, okay? Guys, I also noticed that there is a carnival coming up on the 31st of December. Just in case you are in Benin Republic, do well to, visit. So after the Python Temple, we went to this very historic but yet beautiful museum called the Museum of Zinsou Foundation.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like the screenplay in a movie storyline, but I get scared till I say, yeah, definitely, baby. Almost as if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up for fun. All of the main character vibes, days all covered in sun, and I'm glowing from inside. I really can't believe that's what you've done. Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again where you say I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby.
So you just saw a quick preview of what this place looks like, but that's not all. There are a lot of artworks here that you need to see, and then the story behind it. So that's why you need to check out the video I'm going to link above. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so yeah. Now we are actually going to our next location for the day. We just crossed where they say they make salt. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And we are headed to what we call the point of no return. Guys, when I heard this name, I was like, what? The point of no return? Like, how do I even tell somebody I'm going to the point of no return? But yes, guys, this is what the place looks like.
I've got a lot of plans for the future. For now I'm small and you're all so big. Dad says it's snowing, you know what that means. Let's go sledding down at the hill. Minutes go by and the minutes they fly, and we have no time to waste in the haste of what makes us young. Some could say, so we gotta go get and slide down the snowy hillside, cause the day has only begun. Me and my dad in the very big hill, in the very big field of green, and the beat, and the very big kids much bigger than me, sliding down the very big steep in the deep blue sled with me, and the rush of the wind as he runs after me, in my very big jacket that suffocates me, but it's better than freezing here with my dad at the very big hill. Plans for the future. For now I'm growing and doing fine. Mom says to hurry and do your homework. We've got soccer practice at 5, 4, 3, 2. Months go by and the months they fly, and we got no time to waste in the haste of what gives us life. Bones will break and muscles will ache, and seasons come and go. We better kick it good while it's time. Me and my mom and the sort of big hill, and the sort of big field of green, and the beat, and the sort of big kids, sort of bigger than me, and they're trying to
No be coconut.
Oh, where? No be coconut. Coconova.
Check that it's red.
Yes. You say you put the water for fridge. Ah! Hey! You go ahead.
Go to your brain.
Oh, yeah,
But this one is spoil medicine.
You want your coconut go?
Guy.
Nice.
For now I'm small and you're all so big.
I tried to break it and I'm eating the coconut. This coconut's not that strong. I don't think it's fully ripe yet. So guys, tell me if you want a video of the point of no return, okay? And yes, we're headed to our next location, but before we got there, we sighted this place. They sell red mangoes, guys. For the first time in my life, I saw red mangoes. We decided to stop and I bought it. So yeah, the third location, is it the third or the fourth location, is Babstock. We got a ticket and we're going to be taking a boat. See guys, I have lots of things to tell you guys. Like the gist is long, a lot of things to even show you guys. But if I start saying it now, this video is not going to end. But that being said, if you have questions, please drop it in the comment section. And at this point of the video, if you don't like the video, please now please hit the like button and share this video to people you know would enjoy this video, okay? And I know you're already wondering why is she not telling us the price of the tickets to go to these tourist centers, and why is she not giving us more information? I'm going to give you more information, but that is why I said you should get my tour guide, because every single detail you need about traveling to Benin Republic, exploring, down to your accommodation, down to planned out itinerary, transportation, and everything is in that travel guide. So you do want to get it, okay? All right. At this point, I'll say you should enjoy the rest of the video. I know they follow you chop again today, I beg.
Don't run.
What is it looking like?
It's like wood.
Wow.
What is that place? See, I've seen this one in a video that they'll carry some passes out of this wood.
Inside the mango.
No, I want to make a great content. Your content.
Where are people?
No, Sam.
Welcome to Nigeria. Welcome to Cotonou.
Oh, Mona Vela.
Hola, mo. Hey. Is that
You know, you look like Nigerians now.
Yes, I'm Nigerian.
Who?
You are Nigerians, yes.
Let's go. I go for my
So I'm from Nigeria. You go single.
I beg you.
Yeah, Juliet. Yes, baby. Thank you. We don't fear first, no balance.
Boat cruise.
Assist us, come on.
Go find your way. Assist yourself, my sister.
Yes.
We have approached the dock. Prepare to alight. So guys, this particular place needs a review and I'm going to do that. So if you want to see a review of this place, please tell me in the comment section and I'll be doing it right away. But this is an island restaurant. I'm going to give you a tour in that video, so stay tuned, okay? Hello.
deseo tu cuerpo, más que tu tiempo. Y como te digo, no quiero ser amigos. Bésame un ratito, bésame un ratito.
Guys, I just came back, and guess what? I'm having my first red apples. I don't even know if you are seeing it. Wahala. But yeah, I'm having my first red apple, and I'm going to go and I'm warming my food though. See waiting wheels they chop.
I know they chop am for Lagos.
What do you call the name?
Don Kunu now.
Don Kunu.
Na Ghana food.
No, not leave me behind.
2-5. How many fish there inside?
I plenty now. The fresh fish, fresh fish.
That's in our fish market.